Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C3 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find About Phone. Let's tap on it. Now let's enter the version, which will contain the baseband version, kernel version, color OS version and the build number, and we are looking for this option. All you have to do right now is simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in a developer mode. Now we can go back to the general settings, and here we have to tap on additional settings. Let's scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see here we've got developer options. They should appear right under accessibility. So let's tap on it, and here we've got plenty of advanced options which we can customize. So we've got the full list of them. So for example, we can choose the background check, and here we've got listed no apps because we've got opened only developer options. What's more, we can show view updates, we can change window animation scale, and so on and so on. So we've got plenty of options to customize. So in order to turn on the feature, all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied and activated. Obviously you can turn it off the same way. If you can see the options without the switchers, for example like here in those Bluetooth options, all you have to do is simply tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So actually, if you are done with customization of developer options, let's go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher to turn them off. Oh, that was a misclick. Just tap on this switcher, and as you can see, they immediately disappear, and after getting back you can see that under accessibility we have no developer options. Of course, no worries, if you'd like to customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your REALME C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.